Hi, I'm Jen Har. Are you considering purchasing a new trimmer or brush cutter for your property? With the Stihl product lineup, there are several models to choose from that can help you get the job done. Here are a few tips that will help you get started in making the choice that's best for you. To begin, there are 3 basic questions that you should ask yourself. First, what material or materials will I need to cut or trim? Second, how large is the area that I will be working in? And lastly, are there any noise restrictions that I need to take into consideration? If you answered these questions and you have a small area to trim, and you will only be trimming grass, such as an urban setting with maybe a flower bed, a few trees, your sidewalk or driveway, then a curved shaft trimmer may be a good choice for you. These Stihl curved shaft units are very light and are easy to use in small or confined areas, but they have more than enough power to get the job done. We have our opening price point with the FS38 up to the FS50 CE. I prefer the FS40 CE. It's light, easy to use, has a simplified starting system as well as the easy to start feature, and it's the perfect size for me. With the simplified starting system, the on-off switch always defaults to the on position, so you won't need to worry about setting the switch when you're ready to start the engine. And you only need to set the choke once. When the engine starts and you blip the throttle trigger, the choke will automatically switch to the run position and you'll be ready to go. The easy to start feature enables the user to start the engine with an almost effortless pull on the cord. For taller people, say 6 feet or more, you may want to step up to the FS50 CE. It's also equipped with the simplified starting system as well as the easy to start feature, and is 8 inches longer than the FS40, making it very comfortable to operate for taller people. Now, after answering our questions, if the area you will be working in is larger, such as a rural setting, or if you're cutting heavy grasses and weeds, a straight shaft unit would probably be best for you. In settings like this, you may only need to trim grass, and the FS56R would be an ideal unit for this. Equipped with a Stihl fuel-efficient engine, simplified starting system, easy to start feature, loop handle, and the popular Stihl auto cut head, it can handle your job with ease. If your needs call for a unit with a little more power and maximum versatility, you might consider the FS90 series. The R designation in the FS90R indicates that it's a loop handle unit. It comes standard with the auto cut head, but you can also attach the 4 and 8 tooth metal blades, as well as a brush knife for clearing tough, tangled weeds and undergrowth. Or you can attach the Stihl circular saw blades for those gnarled bushes and saplings. Along with these attachments, you are also required to have the proper handle assembly, such as a barrier bar or bike handle, deflector kit, and harness. If you're working in a large farm or ranch, you may want to consider stepping up to the FS130 series. With lots of power, it's a very durable unit for those really big jobs. And finally, if the area you will be working in is a noise-sensitive area, like a hospital zone for example, Stihl has a full range of corded and cordless electric units that can fulfill your needs. Regardless of your requirements, Stihl has a trimmer that's right for you. Make sure you review the Stihl hand tags, Stihl literature, or visit our website at StihlUSA.com to find the unit that has the style, power, and features that best fit your needs to help you get the job done efficiently and quickly. So, don't forget to ask yourself these 3 basic questions. What will I be trimming? How large is the area that I need to trim or cut? And lastly, are there any noise restrictions that I need to take into consideration? Then you'll be ready to go with the perfect brush cutter or trimmer that's right for your needs. This is Jen Har. We'll see you next time.
This is Stihl, the #1 selling brand of gasoline-powered handheld outdoor power equipment in America. And this is Stihl Incorporated, where almost all Stihl brand trimmer line is produced, from raw materials to final packaging. Here, Large extruders produce almost all varieties of steel trimmer line. Compounds have been formulated and colored to exacting steel specifications. They're melted and pushed through a die to take the desired shape of the trimmer line. The line is cooled in a water bath and then stretched again and again to reach the exact finished dimensions. This process may appear somewhat simple, but the technology at work here is sophisticated and precise. Some of the trimmer line undergoes a post-extrusion process, where it is transformed into steel quiet line. This is accomplished by applying a spiraled groove into the line to reduce wind resistance and noise, making our corded and cordless electric trimmers that much quieter. How much trimmer line is produced? Each year, Stihl produces, packages, and distributes enough line to extend from Virginia Beach to the moon. This facility produces nearly all the steel trimmer line for every steel trimmer in the world. Packaging of trimmer heads and steel line is highly automated and carried out on custom-designed machines that are configured for high volume and consistency. The end result is a quality, long-lasting trimmer line worthy of the Stihl name and your trimmer head. For more information on steel trimmer line and other Stihl products, visit StihlUSA.com.